If you're experiencing payment errors on Hightail, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Confirm sufficient funds. Make sure that your payment method has sufficient funds or credit available. Insufficient funds can lead to payment failures. Step 3. Review account status. Log into your Hightail account and check for any notifications regarding your account status. Ensure that your account is in good standing and not suspended or restricted. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, browser issues can affect payment processing. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try making the payment again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Hightail's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details of the error message and any steps you've already taken to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment errors on Hightail efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.